Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add JavaScript elements to your site on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, this is very simply done. It is integrated into the functionality of Squarespace, and all you need to do is just add a code block. And as you can see, currently I'm on one of my empty pages, which I'll be using for this tutorial. Now, once we're here, we're going to click on Edit to enter the editor view. Now, as you can see, I already added a section. If you have a blank page, you need to add a section first where you're going to put your code block, or you can put it in any existing section if you would like. Then all you need to do is click on Add a block, and then you're going to go down until you see Code. It's right under Basic, so just click Code. We'll add a code block. I'm going to go ahead and resize it just so that it goes across the entire screen. And what you need to do to actually code in JavaScript, it's very easy. We're just going to edit this code block. So just click the pencil to start editing it. And as you can see, it's currently in the HTML mode. You can display the source code here for HTML if you want, or you don't have to. It really doesn't matter. But under modes, you have HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Markdown, and plain text. We're going to click on JavaScript. Now, as you can see, you cannot display the source code, or it is always displayed on JavaScript mode. And here you can code pretty much whatever you want. However, I'm not that very well versed in JavaScript, nor do I have any ideas on hand that I would like to code, so I'm just going to keep it like this. Now it's going to just display the source code. This is not a JavaScript script, so it probably won't work, but if we click save and we exit, that is going to add the code block here. Now it's just displaying the source code for our JavaScript block and code block, but that is pretty much how you add code blocks to your site, and that's how you code in JavaScript. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.